Being a part of the youth organizing that I've witnessed here in San Jose and with Californians for Justice, it gives me hope, especially in tough times. It gives me hope for what the future of our society could be. I think if we can create something through a budgeting process that is engaging to young people, that makes decisions more equitable, more centered on people most impacted. If we could do that with budgeting, imagine what we could do in our classrooms. Imagine what we could do that in our city council. Every one of those young leaders who finds their voice and power is able to fan the flames for hundreds of others. And that becomes a lifelong gift to our communities and our society. I think the future of this work is going from hearing young people to really valuing them, really valuing their expertise, and getting to a point where young people are reflected in everything we do. From the curriculum we pick, to the culture and climate we create on our campuses, to the kind of wider societal supports that young people really need to thrive. And I think that's this shift from young people as tokenized participants and getting input from young people to actual co-creation and governing, where young people and adults side by side can really set our society on a more just trajectory.